Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on your phone. Since Cuphead is not officially available on mobile, we will explore two primary methods: emulation and cloud gaming. Both approaches require a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Additionally, using a physical controller is highly recommended to truly enjoy the game's challenging mechanics and precise controls on your mobile device. One way to play Cuphead is through emulation. This involves using specialized software on your phone to mimic a console or PC environment. For a good experience, your phone needs to be quite powerful, ideally with a flagship processor. You might use emulators such as Yuzu or Skyline. Remember, you must legally own the game and its digital files to use this method responsibly. Another excellent option is cloud gaming, which streams the game from powerful remote servers directly to your phone. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now can host Cuphead. For the best experience, you will need a very fast and stable internet connection, ideally over 5 GHz Wi-Fi. An active subscription to your chosen cloud gaming service is also necessary to access their game library. To truly master Cuphead on your phone, a few tips can help. First, always use a Bluetooth controller. Touch controls are simply too difficult for this game. Make sure your phone has ample battery, at least 50%, to avoid interruptions. Play in a location with excellent Wi-Fi or mobile data. Finally, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother, more consistent frame rates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.